Today I'm here to speak on and share about our success story of the Karbi-Anglong Solar Project. Well, the Karbi-Anglong Solar Project, which was initiated by the Government of India and the state government, it was majorly funded by the Asian Development Bank with the amount of 4,000 crores. So in that project, we have seen that 18,000 bighas of the tribal and the indigenous land is going to acquire, and then 20,000 live population which is going to evac from that particular area. So we form a committee, that is Karbi-Anglong Solar Project Affected People's Rights Committee. So with that committee, we spearheaded the movement to cancel the funding from ADB. So the committee representative, I being the advisor, and also Mr. Pranab Dule and Subrata Talukdar, and across the state, intellectual groups and press media who really help us to, flush out the movement. So at the end of the day, ADB has called for a 58th annual general meet in Milan, Italy, and then in that program, the Karbi-Anglong Solar Project Affected People's Rights Committee sent delegates to that meeting, and unfortunately, we are able to meet the president of the Asian Development Bank, and then we submitted the petition or the memorandum which has been submitted in the last 3 years back to the state government, also to Karbi-Anglong Autonomous Council, also to the government of India, and also to the APDCL. So in that 3 years of period, those petitions were never sent out to the Asian Development Bank. The president of the Asian Development Bank were never acknowledged about the grievances of the local people. But on that annual meet, on that 50th annual meet, the Karbi-Anglong Solar Project Committee delegates submitted to the president, and then after a week, 4,000 crores of the fund was cancelled from ADB, and now it is a success, we can say. So this story can bring us, unite all the Assam, entire Assam, of different projects which are affecting the tribal people, and also the Assamese indigenous people, also to all the minority peoples. Because if the public come together, if the Aam Aadmi come together, definitely we can block, we can stop the illegal project which is happening in Assam. So I would like to appeal from this convention in different areas in Assam. In the name of development, land grabbing has been started. Land has been trying to divert to the Adani and Ambani. So that process can be stopped throughout this convention, or the entire people of Assam to stand together unitedly so that we can fight for this. Hegot moi kobo bisaru lastly, this jodi ami jodi a land issue jodi ami fight nokoru, titahole next coming 10-20 years to amar beleke dhorno hoy jabo. Karon itia amar Aam Aadmi por amar job to seize korile. Job amar kitio tribal hokol napai, aro amar indigenous Okhomia hokol napai. Aro amar contractor ajikali kuno amar tribal hokol dangor contractor nai. All are taken by the companies. Now the only remain is our land. Jodi amar land jodi naikia kori diye, hack kori diye, titahole ami yat jiai thakibolo wasta na thakibo. So in conclusion, I thank the Assam United Citizen Convention Committee and all the entire leaders who present in this house to stand together and fight against the RSS and the BJP to defeat in this coming year. Thank you so much. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ হানসে-ডাঙৰীয়া, ধন্যবাদ। মই আকৌ অনুৰোধ কৰিম 2 মিনিটৰ সময়ত বক্তৃতা সামৰিবৰ কাৰণে। এইবাৰ মই আদিবাসী সমাজৰ নেতা গডউইন হেমব্ৰম ডাঙৰীয়াক অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ। 2 মিনিট, বেয়া নাপাব।